Hey guys, top of the top, another day in paradise. Man, oh man, oh man. Guys, it took me a long time to figure this out, and I don't know why, because I built not hundreds, but I built quite amount of websites. The only thing is with me is I have a cPanel set up, so after watching video after video and going through 20 minutes and 30 minutes of BS, let's get right to this. My niche is telling you your answer right away instead of you watch. You want to subscribe, subscribe. You want to hit the like button, hit it. It doesn't matter to me. But what matters to me is you get the answer now. Pow. When you first buy a domain from GoDaddy, you're going to have a screen that looks like this. When you want to build a website, you want to build it in WordPress. This is going to be this is going to be GoDaddy's builder, and we don't want that. So how to get it into WordPress, and that was my main thing. How to get your domain into WordPress to build a beautiful website, not in GoDaddy. And no offense, because I have over 200 domains with GoDaddy. Okay? First things first. Go here. We go to My Products. We go down to the bottom. We go Manage WordPress. When I bought the hosting package, they gave me this AK WordPress site. You go to these three dots, you hit Settings, you go down to the bottom, and you hit Add. So I already did it, and it attached the guruandheels.com. Once you hit your domain that you bought, it'll ask you existing, you would hit yes, and then it'll put it into the DNS of WordPress. Next, you go here, edit site, log it into WordPress, and hee-ha. This URL is going to change once it hits the DNS. I just did it now, and that's why it's not there. And that's it, guys. Let's hit refresh. Make primary domain. And that's it, guys. You have it. It takes a minute because I just did it. When you hit edit website, it'll pull up the one you just bought. Hey guys, top of the top, another day in paradise, part 2. I put my domain into WordPress like I showed you yesterday, and here it is. The domain is the primary. So now here we build a website. We go to edit, and the first thing we do is we put an SSL plugin, so we don't have to pay for an SSL with GoDaddy. The SSL is going to lock this and secure it. So what I do is I go to, and I think I did a video on this, but let's do it again. Plugin, install plugin. You'd go up here, SSL. I already put it in. Damn. Let's delete it because I want to show you what it looks like. Okay, let's do it again. Add plugin. We're going to go to SSL. Just put in SSL. And it's going to be this first one. It's called Really Simple Secure, Simple and Performance. Install. Cool. Activate. Boom. And there you have it. Short and sweet. Activate SSL. Save. Skip. Install. Finish. Now you're at 50%, so there's some stuff you really need to do. So let's go to settings. Turn this on, turn this on. Hit save. Save and continue. Save and continue. Save and continue. Save and continue. Save, continue, save, continue. Put that on, save, continue. Save, continue, and then put these on. Save and continue. Boom. I'm not going to do a two-factor today. Save and continue. Save, continue. Done. Now you're at 63. Let's see if we missed anything. Dismiss all notification. Save, continue. I think we got everything. Feedback and plugin overview. That's it, guys. Done. Dashboard. Good. 71 is good. That's all we want. Everything's great. And that's it, guys. Cut. How to put an SSL certificate or SSL to secure your website. And that's it, guys. Cut.